This is RB Chaurasia. Complex number. Complex number is a combination of real and imaginary number. Real number denoted by R, imaginary number denoted by I, small I. So before seeing that what is the imaginary number denoted by iota, we shall read the magic of unity. 1. First number is natural number. Natural number is starting from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. इसके बाद आता है whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 infinity. Integer 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to dot 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 plus minus infinity. Rational number, a number which is in the form of p upon q. Q does not equal to 0. Suppose 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Then irrational number, which is not a rational. It means root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. Then this is the special types of the irrational number. And number which is non-terminating, non-repeating is 1.01, 1.001, 1.0001, 1.00001, and go so on. Afterwards, the real number. Real number combines all the numbers. So natural number is a subset of whole number. Whole number is a subset of integer. Integer is a subset of rational, and rational union irrational, and whole is the subset of real number. And real number is a subset of complex number, whatever the important we are going to read. Before that, we usually start the magic of unity. What is the one play a great role is in the complex number. 1 omega. Omega should be used. Omega is a symbol that should be meaning should be understood when we shall read the magic of omega. Also the iota, imaginary number, that will come from the magic of unity. Let us see. First things we are taking here, that find the square root of unity. Square root of unity. What we can say? Let x is equal to square root of 1. This means x squared is equal to 1. This means x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. What happens? This implies x minus plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. This means x is equal to 1 and minus 1. Square root of unity, it means 1 and minus 1. Second thing, find the cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. It means let x is equal to cube roots of unity. This means x cube is equal to 1. This means x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. This means x minus 1 into x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. either x minus 1 is equal to 0, this implies x is equal to 1, or x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, this implies x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. Quadratic formula for finding out the x. This means this implies what happens? Minus b. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 का square minus 4 into 1 into 1 upon 2 into 1. This is the what happens. This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2. What we can write? This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 into minus 1 upon 2. Note down this point. This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 I squared. I squared means minus 1 under root minus 1 means I squared. Imaginary. Minus 1 is an imaginary number. Under root minus 1. What is imaginary number? Let us see. Under root minus 1, under root minus 2, under root minus 3, under root minus 4, under root minus 5, and goes on. This is the imaginary counting. Whatever the like that we are counting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that? Natural number. It's an imaginary number. So I squared upon 2. This implies x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3I upon 2. It means x is equal to minus 1 plus root 3I upon 2 and minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2. So what is the cube roots of unity? It means x is equal to, first root cells come, x is equal to 1 here, 1. Second is minus 1 plus 2 root 3 of I upon 2 and minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2. Cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity, it means 1 minus 1 plus root 3I upon 2 minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2. This is the one, this is denoted by symbol omega. Read that omega. And this is the omega squared. It means two roots are imaginary roots and one root is real. This is one is real. This is the imaginary roots. Complex roots, we can say real parts and imaginary parts. What is complex number? Z is equal to x plus iy. So x is real, y is imaginary. Here minus 1 is real and root 3 I is root 3 is imaginary. Same word. Real and imaginary. So this is denoted by omega, this is omega squared. So 3 cube roots of unity is 1 omega and omega square. Now we can let this is omega, so this will be the omega square. If this will be the omega, this will be the omega square. एक को ओमेगा मानना है, दूसरे को ओमेगा स्क्वायर, अपने आप हो जाएंगे. ये ओमेगा होगा तो ये ओमेगा स्क्वायर होगा, ये ओमेगा स्क्वायर, ये ओमेगा है तो ये ओमेगा स्क्वायर होगा. देखिए कैसे, एक का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो दूसरा अपने आप आएगा, इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा. इसीलिए ये प्रॉपर्टीज है. स्क्वायर ऑफ one of the cube roots of imaginary cube roots of unity gives other. The square root make the square root. So minus 1 plus root 3 upon 2 the whole square. If we shall do, if we will do this, then result will come minus 1 minus root 3 by 2. See that how? This will be the what happens, minus 1 a plus b का whole square minus 1 का whole square plus root 3 का whole square minus plus minus 2 into 1 into root 3 upon 4. This is equal to 1 plus 3 square minus 2 root 3 upon 4. This means, this implies what the result will come. This is equal to 1 plus I square. I square means minus 1. So it means that minus 3 minus 2 root 3 upon 4. This is equal to minus 2 minus 2 root 3 upon 4. This is equal to, if we will take the minus 2 common, what happens, 2 will का out होगा minus 1 minus root 3 upon 4. That will cancel 2 to 4. This is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 upon 2. Okay. Next, if we have made the omega square, omega का whole square. So what as result has come? Omega square. ये आ गया. If make the square root of any imaginary square of imaginary cube roots of unity gives the other. Like the same way, if we shall do the square root of this, then result will come. Next property is the sum of the all three roots of unity is equal to 0. 1 plus, it means 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 gives the result. See that how it will give the result 0. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. So we shall take the imaginary cube roots of unity and make the sum. One plus omega square is equal to 0. Take the LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. What happens? LHS, this is equal to 1 plus omega. Omega means minus 1 plus under root 3 upon 2 plus minus 1 minus under root 3 upon 2. Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? 2. 2 plus minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus root 3i plus minus 1 minus root 3i. Then this means that this will cancel. This is equal to 2 minus 2 upon 2. This is equal to 0 upon 2. This is equal to 0. Sum of all three cube roots of unity is equal to 0. It means 1 plus omega square is equal to 0, which is the RHS. Now see, next question. Find the fourth roots of unity. Fourth roots of unity. It means 1 fourth roots we want to find out. Let x is equal to fourth root of unity. This implies x to the power 4 is equal to 1. This implies x to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x squared का whole square minus 1 का square is equal to 0. This implies x squared plus 1 into x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies x squared plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if this implies x is equal to 1 minus 1 and x squared plus 1 is equal to 0, this implies x squared is equal to minus 1. This implies x squared is equal to I squared. This implies x is equal to plus minus I. Hence, fourth roots of unity, x is equal to 1 minus 1 I and minus I. Fourth root of unity, this will be there. It is the read as the iota I, which is 1 minus 1 I minus I. It means I squared is equal to minus 1. I to the power 4 is equal to I square into I square. This is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. This is equal to 1. I to the power 4, 5. I to the power 5. This is equal to I to the power 4 into 1. This is equal to 1 into I to the power 4 into I. This is equal to 1 into I. This is equal to I. Like the same way, what will be the I to the power 6? I to the power 6 is equal to I to the power 4 into I square. What happens? I to the power 4. I to the power 4, we have find out here 1 into I square minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. I to the power 7. This is equal to I 6 into I. This is equal to minus 1 into I. This is equal to I. It means any power of the iota I will gives only and only the four things. That will be the either 1 or minus 1 or I or minus I. Okay. Now same magic in the omega. ओमेगा का भी सेम मैजिक है. ओमेगा का मैजिक, ओमेगा क्यू इज इक्वल टू दैट इज द 1. So omega to the power 4 is equal to omega q is equal to 1. Omega to the power 4 is equal to omega q into 1. O2 है omega. This is equal to 1 into omega. This is equal to omega. Omega 5. This is equal to omega q into omega square. This means omega q is equal to 1. 1 into omega square. This is equal to omega square. Omega to the power 6. This is equal to omega q into omega q. This is equal to 1 into 1. This is equal to 1. Omega 7. This is equal to omega q into omega. This is equal to 1 1 omega. This is equal to omega. Omega to the power 8. This is equal to omega q into omega square. 1 1 into omega square. This is equal to omega square. It means the value will come 1 omega square. 1 omega square. Only 3 value of the omega. And fourth में root में I, value of I to the power 29, 30, 40, only 4 value. It means that should be remembered. And in the complex number, it is the very useful tools that will help to study the complex number as a better way of the math. Thank you.